Narrated by Jabir bin Abdullah that he heard Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam describing the period of pass of the divine inspiration, and in his description he said, "While I was walking, I heard a voice from the sky. I looked up towards the sky, and behold, I saw the same angel Jibril alayhi salam who came to me in the cave of Hira, sitting on a chair between the sky and the earth. I was so terrified by him that I fell down on the ground. Then I went to my wife Khatija and said, 'Wrap me in the garments, wrap me in garments.' They wrapped me, and then Allah revealed, 'O you, Muhammad, wrapped up, arise and warn and desert the idols.' Abu Salama said, 'To just mean idols.' After that, the divine inspiration started coming more frequently and regularly.